Most Brother printers sold online are overpriced junk built to fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever wasted hours fiddling with unreliable printers instead of getting real work done? Relax, this video solves it and shows you the top picks with clear reasons. Today, I'm going to be going over the best Brother printer that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Brother MFC J1360DW. From the moment you unbox it, this home-oriented all-in-one printer presents a compact footprint and a clean, modern design. Its 1.8-inch color display offers intuitive navigation, guiding setup, and everyday tasks with clear icons and responsive menus. The device supports automatic duplex printing, which helps save paper while producing professional two-sided documents without manual intervention. A 150-sheet paper tray and a 20-page ADF streamline everyday document handling for small offices and busy home environments. Print speeds reach up to 16 pages per minute in black and 9 in color, delivering brisk results for daily tasks. Color printing is bright and bold with reliable grayscale and vivid hues suitable for home reports, photos, and school projects. Flexible installation options let you connect wirelessly or via USB, adapting to various workspaces while preserving a clean cable layout. With cloud app support and direct scanning to Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive, you can digitize workflows without leaving your desk. The 1.8-inch color display acts as the control hub for setup and cloud printing tasks, enabling swift on-device actions. Page Gouge helps monitor ink usage and prevent surprises by predicting when replacements are needed based on actual usage. In real-world testing, the printer maintains consistent performance across tasks from text documents to color graphics and photos. Compared with the HP DeskJet Plus 4155E, the Brother provides duplexing as standard. The pros include automatic duplex printing for paper savings, a 20-sheet ADF for quick scanning, and cloud app connectivity that streamlines workflows. The cons include ongoing ink costs and cartridge waste, which may affect long-term operating expenses for high-volume printing. At number 4, we have the Brother HL-L2405W. For homes and small offices, this printer feels like a dependable, budget-friendly entry point to reliable monochrome printing. The chassis presents a sturdy, compact build with smoothly finished surfaces that resist fingerprints while integrating into diverse desk setups. Its compact footprint and unobtrusive dimensions prevent crowding on desk space, enabling placement beside monitors, keyboards, and docking stations. Connectivity remains flexible with built-in dual-band wireless and a USB interface, simplifying setup across multiple devices. The 250-sheet paper tray plus a manual feed slot supports envelopes and specialty paper for mixed media tasks. The Brother Mobile Connect app enables remote management and printing from mobile devices, enhancing on-the-go productivity. The printer welcomes voice-assisted workflows via Alexa compatibility, letting you print or check status through smart assistants. In testing, output appears crisp with high legibility at up to 30 pages per minute on plain text. Compared to other compact monochrome printers, this Brother model delivers easier setup and stronger wireless stability during day-to-day operation. The pros include consistently sharp black and white output, an exceptionally compact footprint, and versatile connectivity that supports diverse setups and devices. On the flip side, this model lacks color printing and does not feature automatic duplexing, which could slow high-volume two-sided workloads. Despite the compact elegance, the price remains highly competitive for a dedicated monochrome laser printer, delivering predictable running costs through TN cartridges. If your workflow centers on text-heavy documents, shared home offices, and you value simple management over color versatility, this printer fits well. At number 3, we have the Brother HL-L2460DW. From the moment you unbox it, this compact monochrome laser printer signals suitability for home offices and small teams seeking reliable efficiency. Despite the budget price, the device presents a sturdy plastic chassis with a compact, unobtrusive footprint that fits neatly on a typical desk. Its compact form measures modestly in depth and height, allowing placement under shelves or beside monitors without crowding valuable workspace. It supports dual-band wireless, Ethernet, and USB, enabling flexible setups across home networks while automatic duplex printing saves time and paper. Print speeds reach up to 36 pages per minute, and the generous 250-sheet tray reduces refills during longer sessions. The Brother Mobile Connect app extends remote management, allowing you to monitor toner usage and initiate prints from mobile devices with ease. Brother backs the HL-L2460DW with a 1-year limited warranty and accessible support channels for the life of the printer. Designed for low energy consumption and quiet operation, It minimizes distraction in busy home offices while maintaining consistent print quality. Toner management becomes worry-free with Brother Genuine TN830 compatible options, and the Refresh Easy Print subscription that helps avoid running out. Compared to a typical budget color printer, this model offers lower operating costs per page even though it lacks color output. The pros include reliable mono laser efficiency, compact footprint, and flexible connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi and USB. The cons include higher upfront price and no color printing. In summary, this Brother model targets small offices needing dependable monochrome output with easy setup, solid durability, and sensible total cost. At number 2, we have the Brother HL-L2405W. In a compact, all-in-one laser printer, this unit promises efficiency, reliability, and a favorable cost per page for small offices. The design emphasizes a sturdy plastic chassis with a compact footprint that slides easily into crowded desks while maintaining a professional black finish. Its dimensions and weight make it suitable for one-room offices and shared spaces without creating overwhelming clutter. The machine supports wireless dual-band connectivity, Ethernet, and USB, enabling flexible deployment from laptops, desktops, and mobile devices. The 2.7-inch touchscreen streamlines copying, scanning, and faxing workflows and provides quick access to cloud services through compatible apps. Print speeds reach up to 36 pages per minute in theory with steady real-world throughput under everyday workloads. A 50-page auto document feeder automates multi-page copy, scan, and fax tasks, saving time and reducing manual handling. Choosing Genuine Toner TN830 or TN830XL ensures optimal print quality, and with Refresh Easy Print subscription, you can enjoy savings and uninterrupted toner supply. With Brother Mobile Connect, you can print and scan from almost anywhere using your mobile device, significantly boosting productivity. Compared to the HP LaserJet Pro M118DW, the Brother delivers broader scanning capabilities and an affordable per-page cost. The pros include efficient all-in-one design, low running costs, and robust paper handling. The cons include higher initial price and bulky footprint. In real-world tests, the machine delivers consistent black and white output with crisp legibility and steady throughput across typical office workloads. If you are a small office or home office user who values reliability, automated features, and cloud connectivity, this Brother model is a compelling choice. At number 1, we have the Brother MFC J435DW. From the moment you unbox it, the Brother Inkvestment 4355DW feels compact, approachable, and ideal for small home offices. This model targets busy households and compact offices seeking all-in-one functionality, dependable ink economy, and mobile-friendly workflows. Build quality blends durable plastics with a thoughtfully compact envelope, ensuring stability without overwhelming desks or cramped corners in dynamic home office spaces. The user interface centers a vivid 1.8-inch color display that simplifies navigation, setup, and routine tasks during busy workdays. An ample 150-sheet tray and a 20-page ADF support mix documents with ease. Print speeds reach up to 20 pages per minute in black and 19 pages per minute in color, enabling steady productivity. In real-world testing, duplex printing maintained consistency, scans remain precise, and documents fed reliably without frequent jam alerts. Cloud app connections support printing from and scanning to popular services such as Google Drive and OneDrive, enhancing remote collaboration. The Brother Mobile Connect app centralizes printing, scanning, and device management, delivering accessible controls from your phone or tablet. Behind the scenes, Page Gauge monitors ink usage to alert you when replacements are due, helping you budget and minimize downtime. Automatic duplex printing cuts paper waste, while a compact footprint helps keep energy usage reasonable during extended periods. Compared to the HP OfficeJet Pro series, this Brother demonstrates lower ongoing costs thanks to the Inkvestment ink system and efficiently sized cartridges. The pros include low running costs thanks to the Inkvestment system, compact design with versatile paper handling, and robust cloud connectivity. The cons include higher initial price compared to basic models and ongoing ink costs when not fully leveraging the cartridge efficiency.